So we out here today. JD and Mario here, gonna rip some packs. Maybe 2, maybe 20, who knows. Just wanna make a quick video wearing my Send It socks, courtesy of Uncut FPV. Appreciate it, good looking out. Just wanted to make a little different of a video, appreciation post for all the people local and not so local flying, the Snap One FPV, the Captain Collins, the Straight Killers, Uncut, triggahappyhippi, everybody out there flying, doing their thing. Gonna do something a little different today. Gonna try to one up every trick that I've done or some videos that I've seen, and just basically come out and have a good time. Everybody asks, why do you fly, why do you do this, why do you spend so much money? It's because it's fun. And you have a long week, you come out here, you fly a couple packs and take your mind off everything, and, stress relief. So without further ado, we're gonna try to break some shit, and of course we're gonna send it.
Hitchhiking, where will I go? I could fly home with my eyes closed, but it get kinda hard to see, there's no surprise though. And you can find me, I ain't hiding. I don't move my feet when I be gliding. I just slide it, and then I roll up. Yeah, well, climbing over that wall. I remember, yes I remember, yes I remember it all. Swear the hype be too tall, so like September I fall down below. Now I know that the medicine be on call, yeah. But it's feeling like you hot enough to melt, yeah. Can't trust no one, can't even trust yourself, yeah. And I love you, I don't love nobody else, yeah. Tell them they can take that bullshit elsewhere. Self-care, I'm treating me right, yeah. Hell yeah, we gonna be alright. Gonna be alright. I switch the time zone, but what do I know? Spending nights hitchhiking, where will I go? I could fly home with my eyes closed, but it get kinda hard to see, there's no surprise though. And you can find me, I ain't hiding. I don't move my feet when I be gliding. I just slide it, and then I roll. Yeah, I be reading them signs. I be losing my mind. Yeah, get the fuck out the way. Must be this how to play. It must be nice up above the lights, and what a lovely life that I made. Yeah, I know that feeling like it's in my family tree. Yeah, that Mercedes drove me crazy, I was speeding. Somebody save me from myself. Yeah, tell them they can take that bullshit elsewhere. Self-care, we gonna be good. Hell yeah, they letting me go. I switched the time zone, but what do I know? Spending nights hitchhiking, where will I go? I could fly home with my eyes closed, but it get kinda hard to see, there's no surprise though. And you can find me. Now I got a little bit of money filling my pockets. Roll around like I run and shit. I got a system filled up with toxins. I've been broken hearted, now it's fuck that bitch. Getting how to deal with my problems. Fucking bitches getting drunk and shit, but these bitches getting obnoxious. It ain't nothing to me though, I love this shit. Go long days, longer nights. Talk too much, the wrong advice. All the lights that call my life. Doctor, will you help me? Get me healthy, keep it low, that's where hell be. Ain't shit you can tell me now. Fuck this rap shit, but you selling out. Ooh shit, my new bitch, you jealous now. Smoking weed at the crib, watching Belly now. All the pain that they causing, like fuck it, we ballin' out, everything straight. You feeling the feeling, I'm chillin', just living, I'm getting away. Conversations we having, I'm getting through static, too much on my plate. Lord, I need me a break. But I'll be good by the week.